Where is Abhiveer?
Yes. Sir, he's a new student.
Yes, he is a new student. So, Mr. Abhiveer, this is your first class. So, let
Yes.
me explain you the divisibility rule of what are divisibility rule. बेटा जैसे मैं आपको एक बड़ा सा नंबर दे दूं 7543, अब मैं आपसे पूछूं और लेट मी मेक इट समथिंग एल्स 2, मैं आपसे पूछूं कि इज दिस नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 3, डिविजिबल बाय 3 मींस अगर आप इसको 3 से डिवाइड करो तो क्या आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा? आपने डिवीजन थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ा है अभी वीर?
बहुत ज्यादा थोड़ा।
बहुत ज्यादा तो नहीं अभी वीर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा, इन दिस मंथ देयर विल बी टॉपिक्स जो आप क्लास बस अटेंड करो। ये मैजिक रूल्स होते हैं, इनसे हमें पता चल जाता है कि ये मेरा नंबर 3 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं आता। कैसे? if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, sum of digits means 7 plus 5 that is 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, तो sum of digits क्या है? 18। तो does 18 comes in the table of 3?
Yes, sir.
So if 18 comes in the table of 3, this number also will come in the table of 3, ये मीनिंग है। थोड़ा थोड़ा मीनिंग समझ आया? अभी वीर अभी आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा ही समझ में आएगा, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना बेटा, ठीक है? ओए वेजी हिंदी में।
Sir, I have joined from another device, and whenever I take my name from Sweet Eater, it turns into Hindi. Hindi name.
All right, guys. So divisibility rule of 4. Ab divisibility rule of 4, who will speak? So we have one advocate in the class also.
So that is me, Eva's Masi. So we have
Okay.
joined from, she has joined from my phone.
All right, ma'am. I didn't know you are an advocate.
Okay.
So,
So, oh.
yeah. So, who will answer this?
Sir,
Suvir. Suvira. What is the divisibility rule of 4?
the last two digits are divisible
Very
by
good.
2
If the
or
last
are
2
0, 0.
digits are divisible by 2 or are 0 0, guys अब हमें याद है तो मैं जल्दी से बता देता हूँ। divisibility rule
Sir,
of 6 I will give to Smiley. जल्दी से Smiley, जल्दी बोल दे भाई।
Sir, not 2, 4.
4. Yes.
4.
So Smiley, what is the divisibility rule of 6? जल्दी से।
Sir, if the
If the what? If the, चलो 8 का बता दो, वो याद नहीं है, 8 का बता दो।
Sir, if the last two digits are divisible by 8 or are 0, 0, 0.
बेटा if the last 3 digits.
3 digits.
Sir,
अब
can
आप,
I tell you the divisibility rule of 6?
Sir,
yes you can tell.
If the number is both divisible by
If
2
the
and
number
3,
is divisible by
2 and 3.
both 2 and 3. So divisibility rule of 9, who wants to speak?
Sir, can I tell?
Divisibility rule of
Sir,
8.
can I tell?
Don't if the
Sir, me. Sir, can I tell?
So I will
Sir,
ask
can I
from,
tell?
wait. Share the mayor.
Sir, my name is not Share anymore.
Oh, yes. Cookie.
If the last two digits are 0, 0. No, sorry. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9.
If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Now 11 ka, I will speak. No one else will speak. if the sum of the difference of the alternate digits is divisible by 11 or are, if the difference of the sum of होना चाहिए, difference of the sum of the alternate digits is divisible by 11 or are 0. So guys, 11 ka if you have forgotten, I will can give one more example. Have you forgotten?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No, sir.
no, sir. It's very easy. I have done it.
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
तो guys ये चेक करके बताओ मुझे 13596 divisibility by 11, just by 11.
Sir, it's very easy.
Sir,
No
in the
examples.
chat.
Yes, in the chat. So Abhivir, unmute karo beta.
Let's do it in the note.
Abhivir, do you know how to take a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, beta, take a screenshot of this.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So अब
Sir, we have to.
डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 4 मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. 3 का आपको समझ आया?
Sir, we have
Sir,
to
not
write
exactly.
Y or no. Sir,
Yes,
we have
yes,
to
Y
write
or
Y
no.
or N.
Yes, why on? So अभिवीर 3 का समझ नहीं आया अभी?
No, sir.
एक एग्जांपल और देता हूं मैं. 820 maybe 2. So beta, can you do the sum of the digits of the numbers?
Sir, so we have to find out if all the numbers from 8202, we have to add them into one number. And if that number comes in the table of 3, it can be divided.
Exactly beta, exactly.
Sir,
Very good. You are a very quick learner.
yes. Sir, do
So
we
tell
have
me if this number comes in the table of 3 or not. 8202 without dividing. केवल मैजिक जो रूल है उससे बताओ.
Sir, it comes.
It comes. Very good. So you have understood of 3. Then let's see of 4. 4 ka I will give you 7828. So is this number divisible by 4? उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे last 2 digits check करने पड़ेंगे. So you tell me, does 28 comes in the table of 4?
So 28. Yes, sir.
So if it comes in the table of 4, it means this number is divisible by, automatically divisible by 4. समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 11 का बेटा I'll explain. आप try to understand, though 11 का थोड़ा सा tough है. तो cupcake, cookie, vampire, where is my answer? Cookie and vampire, जल्दी guys. क्या कर रहे हो आप?
Sir, I can't understand it. Can you explain me one more
I
time?
will explain. And vampire, should I explain? So see guys, पहले मैं alternate digits को underline कर लेता हूँ. It is 1, 5 and 6. Any doubts in this? So I will do the sum. 1 plus 5 plus 6. I will get what? 12. Then I will see the other alternate digits. That is 3 plus 9. Again the sum is 12. Then I will subtract. If I get a 0, that means the number is divisible by 11. If I don't get a 0 or 11, that means the number is not divisible by 11. समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Next check करो. 1 minute ही लेना guys. Check करो.
Sir, we have to do it by
Check divisibility
11.
by 11. By 11. Kiwi, are you still doing it from your mobile or computer?
Sir, I am doing from the mobile.
Why?
Sir, over here there is no computer.
Beta, can you keep your mic on so that I can talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Kiwi, what do you want to become when you grow up? Do you want to become an advocate or something else?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know?
Sir, I think I will be a doctor.
So, beta, will you take fees from me?
No, sir.
Okay, then that's good.
Sir,
I'll help you then.
Sir, today we will change Abhi's name.
No, beta, not today. That's his first day. So, after some days of knowing him, we will change his name. So, again, guys, what I will do, I will check the alternate digits. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. And 7 plus 1 is 8. तो मैं subtract करूंगा 8 minus 2. Smaller number ऊपर है, but I can do the bigger number minus smaller number. 8 minus 2, I will get 6. तो 6 तो 11 के टेबल में आता नहीं है और 6 0 भी नहीं है. So then it is this 17,011 does not come in the table of 11. That is the divisibility rule of 11. Guys, आपको बाकी numbers की practice चाहिए थोड़ा कि you remember? आपको अच्छे से clear हो गया है? One question you want or no? Of maybe 3, 6, 9. Do you
Sir,
want
can
or
you
you
do
don't?
more of 11? No. No, sir.
तो मैं homework दूंगा. अगर worksheet में doubt हो, you get back to me. I will give you more practice. ठीक है?
Sir, can
Yes.
we do the divisibility? Can we do the divisibility rule of 11?
बेटा अभी तो किया. कौन बोल रहा है? Name. Who
Sir,
said this?
Smiley.
Smiley. अभी तो किए बेटा. 2 क्वेश्चंस हो गए आपके. 2 out of 2 करेक्ट हैं. रोज ही हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स और फैक्टर्स.
Sir, 11 divisibility rule is very fun.
चलो गाइस, नाउ आई विल गिव यू टू राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 75. 75 दूं या टफ दूं थोड़ा सा? 75 इजी हो जाएगा. पहले 75 करो. सो सी मिस्टर अभिवीर, फैक्टर्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि इन विच नंबर्स, वेयर इज अभिवीर? आई कैन लेट मी पिन हिम. Yeah, here you are. So in which numbers, in the table of which number 75 comes? So for example, you know that 75, आप बताओ, कोई आप बता सकते हो कोई नंबर जिसके टेबल में 75 आता हो?
5.
5, वेरी गुड. तो बेसिकली व्हाट वी डू इज, पहले 1 के टेबल में सारे नंबर्स आते हैं और नंबर खुद अपने टेबल में आता है. तो 1 एंड 75 से, 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ से हमेशा हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड द फैक्टर्स कम इन पेयर्स. ठीक है? अब आप बोलोगे सर मैं कौन से नंबर तक चेक करूं? विल आई चेक ऑल नंबर्स टिल 75? नो, द आंसर इज नो. सो यू विल चेक टिल विच नंबर. You know what is 8 8s are?
Yes, sir.
What is 8 8s are?
Sir, 8 are 60, 62.
8 8s are 64. बेटा टेबल्स प्रॉपर होने चाहिए. And what are 9 9s are?
81.
81. तो अभी वीर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिफोर आई एक्सप्लेन यू फर्दर, मैं आपको बेटा इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा. सो डोंट वरी इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड फॉर अ फ्यू क्लासेस. ग्रेजुअली आपको समझ आ जाएगा. ठीक है? सो डू यू प्रॉमिस यू वोंट वरी?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? सो ग्रेजुअली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ I will write 8 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So because 8 8s are 64 and 9 9s are 81. So 81 जो था that was more than 75. तो अगर मेरा सेम नंबर का प्रोडक्ट मोर हो नंबर से, तो मुझे 9 तक नहीं जाना. मुझे केवल कितने नंबर से चेक करना है? How many numbers will I check with? Just 8. Abhivir, I will ask a question from you. Which options I can directly cross in 1 to numbers in 1 to 8? Can you tell me? आप बता सकते हो मैं कौन सा नंबर डायरेक्टली क्रॉस कर सकता हूँ कि अरे इसके टेबल में तो 75 आ ही नहीं सकता?
तो जिसकी टेबल में आ ही नहीं सकता।
हम्म
70।
हम्म
सर 2।
वेरी गुड. व्हाई इट कैन नॉट कम इन द टेबल ऑफ 2?
सर क्योंकि 2 की टेबल में सिर्फ इवन नंबर्स आते
वेरी
हैं।
गुड. तो 2 की टेबल में आ ही नहीं सकता. और किसकी टेबल में 75 बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता?
सर 4।
वेरी गुड. देन सिमिलरली 6 और 8 की टेबल्स में भी नहीं आ सकता. अब आपको चेक करना है ओनली विथ 3 नंबर्स, 3, 5 एंड. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have learned the divisibility rule of 3. You tell me, does it comes in the table of 3?
सर 75।
Yes.
यस सर।
Teaching kids. So Abhivir, I was talking to you. Does 75 come in the table of 3?
यस सर।
Yes. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 comes in the table of 3. तो 75 also comes in the table of 3. तो 3 के टेबल में आता है. अब बेटा एवरी फैक्टर कम्स इन पेयर. आप मुझे बता सकते हो 3 मल्टीप्लाइड विद व्हाट विल गिव यू 75?
सर 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय
अब यहाँ पे
25।
25. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड अभिवीर. So then, does it comes in the table of 7?
सर 70। नो सर।
No. So does it come in the table of 5?
यस सर।
Sir,
5. So 5 multiplied by what gives you 75?
sir, I have a problem.
Beta, 1 second.
I
5
cannot
multiplied with what
solve.
gives you 75? It is 15. इसके लिए बेटा आपको डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. So I have asked your mom to do division, but you have understood. So WJ, beta, which two factors did you miss?
Sir, I missed 15 and another one.
Beta,
I missed
which one?
15
15 and which one?
25.
Beta, why you did not divide? When you got 3 and 5, why you did not divide?
I don't.
Why?
I couldn't figure it out.
Beta, there is nothing to figure it out. You get one factor, you have to divide and to get the other factor. So the only thing is, will you follow my instructions or not? So next time this should not happen. Do we
Sir,
understand?
sir,
Cupcake, which two factors did you miss? Beta, 1 minute रुक जाओ.
Sir, 15 and 25.
Again, beta, you did not divide. Why you did not divide? So tell me, beta, I have told you 100 times कि आपको दूसरा फैक्टर डिवाइड करके आएगा. फिर भी you guys are not doing.
sir,
तो मिराया, आप बताओ बेटा, मुझे अगली बार आप सुनोगे नहीं सुनोगे मेरी बात?
Sir, I already
Yes,
done.
Veggie, what are you saying?
I have a problem. I have joined from another device. Whenever I click to counting, there is written counting in Hindi.
Beta, someone from your side only can help you. Beta, I cannot help you from here. You can send me the screenshot on my mobile अगर mobile हो तो.
Okay, sir. My mom is
And vampire, why you did not send your answer?
Sir, I've sent.
Did you get the same answer, vampire?
Sir, ma'am is checking.
बेटा मैम इतने टाइम तक चेक थोड़ी करते हैं. तो चलो वी विल डू फैक्टर ऑफ 90. तो वैम्पायर विल टेल मी टिल विच नंबर विल आई चेक. Everyone first tell me till which number will I check. 1 minute question. Till which number will I check for the factors? Everyone will give it to me in the chat. 1 minute में. अभी वीर आपको समझ आया तो आप भी रागिनी मैम को चैट में आंसर भेज सकते हो. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से भेज देना. मतलब whenever you understand. There is no hurry बेटा. 41 seconds remaining. 35. Smiley and air.
Sir, I have sent here.
Smiley and air.
Sir, I have sent Ragini ma'am. Did not check it.
Okay. So, guys, look here.
Ah, sorry.
So, guys, look here. So, for finding till which number, I will ask to Smiley. हम क्या करते हैं बेटा? Vampire unmute करो. Those who got it wrong automatically unmute. Smiley हम क्या करते हैं?
Sir, we have to check which number should we check.
तो कैसे चेक करते हैं? We start speaking the squares. Squares क्या होते हैं? 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are what, Smiley?
64.
9 nines are what?
81.
10 tens are what?
110.
10 tens are 100, not 110.
100.
So I will ask from you, Smiley, till which number will I check? बेटा फिर म्यूट कर लिया आपने. Vampire, till which number will I check?
Sir, 9.
Cookie, till which number will I check?
Sir, 9.
Abhiveer, till which number will I check? So Abhiveer, Mr. Abhiveer.
Yes, sir.
So beta, we will check till number 9. Why we will check till number 9? Because I don't have want to cross 90 na. 100 will be more. So I have to check factors till number 9. अब try करो बेटा. कुछ factors मिलते हैं तो मैम को send करो. Okay? Everyone give me the factors now. I am giving 3 minutes. Factors of 90. Miraya, send your factors to me.
Sir, I can't understand.
Who can't understand?
Sir, I can't understand how to do.
It's okay बेटा, it's all right, आपको समझ आ जाएगा, no worries, कोई बात नहीं। आप अभी वो नंबर्स ढूंढ सकते हो जिनके टेबल में 90 आता है। कैन यू फाइंड सच दोज नंबर्स? सो जस्ट सेंड दोज नंबर्स जिनके टेबल में 90 आता है।
Sir, can you give 1 more minute?
Yes, I'll give 1 more minute, Peter.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have sent my answer.
Okay, Peter, I have seen. So Kiwi, I can't believe Kiwi missed factors. Stay on unmute. Sweet guy, show me your notebook. बेटा ये कैसे किया है आपने? ये कैसा वर्क है? मैं तो आपको किट्सो देने वाला था।
Sir, I have done the rainbow method.
बेटा रेनबो मेथड तो ठीक है, बट लाइक इट्स नॉट इवन रीडेबल।
Sir, I can tell you what I have wrote.
तो बेटा यू डोंट टेल मी दैट, यू राइट इन अ वे सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
Okay, sir. Sir, can I speak my answer? I cannot send it. Sir, Air has also sent, but
बेटा यू
Ragini
सेंड,
ma'am
आप
has
अपनी नोटबुक में जो लिख रहे हो ना, उसका मुझे पिक्चर खींच के भेज दो।
Okay, sir. Sir, you are saying to me.
नो वेजी।
Okay.
ओके अभी भी
1, 2, 3, 4.
यू आर राइट बेटा, यू आर करेक्ट, यू आर पार्शियली करेक्ट। इन नंबर्स में से आपने करेक्ट फैक्टर्स ढूंढे। तो मिस्टर वैम्पायर, वेयर इज माय आंसर?
1, 2.
Mr. Vampire, speak your answer. Oh, Vampire has got correct. Ma'am, please give a kidzo to Vampire and Sweet Guy. Sweet Guy को मैम kidzo इस बार मत देना, next time दे देना. Because मैम this time तो I cannot read his work only.
Sir, sir,
I cannot give you a kidzo for that work.
sir,
So चलो.
Sir, I can send you a photo. It looks better.
Cupcake and Cookie, start speaking your factors.
1, 2, 3,
बेटा
5.
1-2 नहीं चाहिए मुझे, 190 चाहिए। क्या आप बोल सकते हो मेरा आया ऐसे पेयर्स में?
Yes.
बोलो, स्पीक करो।
190.
करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट कुकी आप स्पीक करो, नेक्स्ट वन।
Sir, 330.
बेटा ये इवन नंबर है कि ऑड है?
Sir, it's odd.
इट्स ऑड। बेटा व्हाट, which numbers are even? Those end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is an even number. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. So मेरा आया नेक्स्ट पेयर, बोलो आप।
345.
2 के साथ 2 का पेयर बोलो ना, सेकंड पेयर विल बी 2। 2 के साथ पेयर किसका होगा? टेल मी।
10.
2 10 कैसे हो जाएगा पेयर? 90 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज नॉट 10।
45.
So 245, speak like this, 245. Next pair, Cookie.
Sir, 330.
Correct. Next pair, Miraya.
5, 10.
5 is multiplied by 10 is not 90, beta. Wrong हो गया ये. 5 with what? 5 with what? Yes.
So can I tell?
Yes.
5 with 18.
5 with 18 because 90 divided by 5 gives you 18 or 5 18s are 90. Then if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is automatically divisible by 6. So 6 and what? Miraya, 6 and what?
Sir, I have not written of 6, so I don't know.
Why, beta? You know the divisibility rule of 6 now?
Yes.
What is the divisibility rule of 6? That if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is automatically divisible by 6. Shaira, aap bolo.
So I didn't do of 6.
Why? Why in the world you did not do of 6?
So because because my
Oh,
2 was not getting.
beta. Okay, fine. ये reason मैं accept कर लूंगा. चलो. Then 7 and 8 are not divisible. 9 and 10. So guys, if you follow the instructions properly, you will not miss any factor. If you don't follow the instructions, you are going to miss factors. So Kiwi, आपने क्यों miss किए 3 factors? Kiwi.
Sir, sir, with 9 I accidentally wrote 90. It should be 10. And of 5 I missed.
And Veggie, आपने तो 50 लिख दिया है factor. From where in the world you got 50? Chalo. Now we will do common factors and HCF. So common factors and HCF of 32 and maybe 30 and 45. चलो guys जल्दी से करो ये.
Sir, this is Vampire speaking. I forgot how to do common factors and HCF.
So common factors and HCF कैसे करते हैं? First we will write the factors of 15. Then we will write the factors of 30. Then we will write the factors of 45. So then we will write which are common factors in all of the three. Then we will write the HCF. तो आपको common factors of HCF और भेजना है. याद आया अब?
Yes, sir.
So start by writing the factors of 15, 30, 45.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What we do in common factors?
जो factors तीनों numbers के लिए common हो, those are common factors.
Okay, sir.
WJ. तो अभिवीर, कैन यू टेल मी द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15? 15 तो छोटा नंबर है, फैक्टर्स बता सकते हो आप?
तो फैक्टर्स अभी भी नहीं समझ आ रहा।
बेटा वो कौन से नंबर्स हैं जिनके टेबल में 15 आता है?
आउट ऑफ 15।
आउट ऑफ एनी नंबर, कोई भी ऐसे नंबर्स इन द वर्ल्ड जिनके टेबल में 15 आता है। अब नेचुरली 15 से बड़े तो हो नहीं सकते, वो 15 से छोटे ही होंगे। तो आप मुझे बताओ विच नंबर्स आर देयर?
तो 5
बेटा
1
ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद 1,
1
और फिर सबसे बड़ा नंबर विच इज 15, देन
1 3
3,
5
5 को ऐसे करते हैं 1 and 15 because 1 15s are 15, 3 5. So these are all the factors of 15. Now can you write factors of 30 and give it to me in the chat? ये आपका correct हो गया. Can you write factors of 30 and give it to me in the chat? Send to me. Okay.
yes.
T. Abhivir, you missed two factors. First of all, 1 and 30. आपने 30 मिस कर दिया, right? Then 30 is an even number or an odd number?
Even sir.
Even, तो it will be divisible by 2. 2 के टेबल में आएगा. 2 10s are 20, but अगर आप आगे 2 का टेबल करोगे, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. फिर हम 2 watts are 30, 2 15s are 30. ये दूसरा पेयर बन गया. Then you got 3. 3 आया. Then 3 watts are 30, 3 10s are 30. ये भी आपका करेक्ट हो गया. Then you got 5. But 5 watts are 30? Tell me.
So 5
6.
6
Wait, 6 are 30. Now you write for 45.
It is closed.
So cookie, kiwi, vampire, veggie. Veggie को तो
Sir,
मैंने skip कर दिया.
vampire is almost done. I just wanted to ask you one question. We only have to write the common factors and HCF
HCF,
in the
correct.
chat.
Correct. Miss Kiwi also got it wrong.
Sir, and vampire is another question.
Yes.
Is there only one HCF?
HCF is always one, the greatest one. WJ, Air, keep your camera on.
Okay.
Sir, Abhivir, you can send the factors of 45 now.
Are we doing the same question?
Sir,
Yes, we are doing the same question.
sir, we also have to send the factors.
No, beta. I've just asked him because he's new. So, Mr. Vampire, you can speak your answer.
Sir, I'm writing it on the chat.
Okay, Cookie, you can speak your answer.
Sir, I have sent it to ma'am.
ठीक है. So, I am writing the rest of the factors. Kiwi, can you tell me the factors of 45?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
1,
Okay.
45,
Correct. 1 and 45, we always start with it. Then,
3,
okay.
14.
15, beta. 3 and 15. 3 15s are 45. 15 3s are 45. ये आपका मिस हुआ अभी भी. Then,
Then, sir, 5,
okay.
5 and 9.
5 and 9. Any more?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll find the common factors. Common means जो सब में है. तो Kiwi, can you speak the common factors?
Sir, 1 minute. 1,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
and 15.
5 also is common, beta.
Yes, sir, I missed 15 in common factors.
So 1, 3, 5 and 15. And what will my HCF? HCF is the highest common factor, means जो सबसे बड़ा हो.
Sir,
That is
15.
15. So one more question we'll do. Next class se we will start with a new concept. So give me common factors and HCF of.
Sir, the error is finally now deleted. Now it's finally I can send in English.
That's great. So common factors and HCF of 24 and 30. तो अभिवीर आपको कॉमन फैक्टर समझ में आए बेटा जो दोनों नंबर्स में कॉमन हो. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
और HCF जो उन कॉमन फैक्टर्स में सबसे बड़ा नंबर हो. इन 4 में जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वो HCF हो जाएगा. HCF मींस हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. वो नंबर जिसके टेबल में 24 और 30 दोनों आए और वो सबसे बड़ा पॉसिबल नंबर हो. ऑल राइट, डू इट. लाइक 1 के टेबल में भी आएंगे, 2 के टेबल में भी आएंगे. सो देयर कैन बी अ नंबर विच इज इवन ग्रेटर देन 2 and which can divide 24 and 30 without with zero remainder or without leaving any remainder, और जिसके टेबल में 24 और 30 आता हो. So try finding the fact. आप common factors और HCF भेजोगे या factors भी भेजोगे? I think you can send the factors also, Abhivir. You can send to me, Abhivir. Okay.
Sir,
Abhivir, are you tired?
sir, do we also have to send the factors?
Do you also have to send the factors? No, beta. आपको केवल
Okay,
common
sir.
factors send कर.
Okay.
आप तो trained. You are a trained boy.
No, sir, girl.
अच्छा, girl. You are a girl. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, factors are if factor is 40, we have the factor should be 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 145. Factors are that.
आपने क्या बोला बेटा? 45 नंबर के.
Yes, so all the numbers that if we keep on adding those numbers, we can get 45. Those are called factors.
No,
of the
beta, no. I am not adding them. I am seeing जैसे 1 का टेबल I am speaking 1 के टेबल में आएगा ही 45. फिर 45 ones are 45. Then 3 के टेबल में 45 आता है because you have learned the divisibility rule. Then beta you have not done division. Otherwise you can see 15 threes are 45. तो 15 के टेबल में भी 45 आया. Then next 4 is an even number तो 45 नहीं आ सकता. Next 5 nines are 45 तो 5 and 9.
Sir, I'm going.
So this is the way how we do it. Okay, WJ. This is the way how we do it. Okay.
Yes.
Smiley, what is happening? A question correct, a question wrong, a question correct, a question wrong.
I did it by 15, 30 and 15. I made that mistake. I'm
So
doing it again.
you can resend your answer.
Yes, sir. क्या खाया आपने? क्या खा रहे हो आप? भुना? ये खा रहा है।
Evie, can you send your answer to me?
Sir, can I send it again? Because last time I saw the 15 table, so then I did it wrong.
Yes, beta, you can.
Mm-mm. Sir, can this be a kid's question?
Let's see, beta. Oh my goodness, vampire today is on fire. Very good vampire, beta. If you study like this, I won't have to beat you anymore.
Sir, see, I knew
Sir, I can't understand it. Can you explain me?
बेटा क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेटा? फैक्टर्स निकालने तो आते हैं ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
तो आप फैक्टर्स निकालो ना 24 और 30 के. What are the factors of 24? Tell me.
1,
1,
24.
124, then
Sir, 2.
बेटा
Sir,
बोलो.
2 and
देखो सर 2 कुछ नहीं होता. 124, speak like this. Sir, my question is, can you speak like this in a rhythm? 124, 2, whatever the number is, can you speak like this?
yes, sir.
तो बेटा बोलो फिर.
124, 2.
फिर रुक गए. Cupcake, you speak. Cookie doesn't want to speak. Beta, this is the only way you are getting a chance. Yes, 124 to
24, 2, 12, 6, 3.
3 and what?
3, 12.
312 कैसे होगा? 212 हो गया. 3 and what? अभी वीर आप बताओ 3 के साथ क्या पेयर होगा?
Sir of 30.
नो, 3 के साथ क्या पेयर होगा? जैसे 212 हो गया, 2 12 24, 124. 3 के साथ क्या पेयर होगा?
Can I tell?
Yes,
8.
3 8s are 24. 3 and 8. Next pair. अभिवीर अनम्यूट रखना. नेक्स्ट पेयर मेरा आया.
I don't know.
नेक्स्ट पेयर अभिवीर अनम्यूट रखो.
The what?
नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ फैक्टर्स
Sir, for 30.
फॉर 24 बेटा. अभी 24 ही कर.
24. Sir, 1.
नहीं, 124 हो गया, 212 हो गया, 38 हो गया. इसके बाद
Sir, 4 can be.
4 with
Can I
what?
tell?
Yes, Smiley.
6.
4 6.
Sir, 4 6.
30 का करते हैं. कपकेक, you want to speak for 30?
So 1 2.
1 नहीं बेटा, 1 2 नहीं चाहिए मुझे. 1 के साथ 30 चाहिए.
1 32 15 30 10.
3 3 10. Then
So I wrote this much only.
so which factor are we missing, Abhivir?
We are missing 10 5.
No बेटा, 10. See, 3 10 हो गया. We are missing 5 6 are 30. So we are missing 5 and 6. Understood? तो ये हो गया हमारा 5 and 6 भी. देन अब मुझे बताओ क्योंकि इसमें क्या समझने का है. ये तो फैक्टर्स हैं एंड वी हैव डन हंड्रेड्स क्वेश्चन. अब कॉमन फैक्टर में वो नंबर्स जो दोनों में आ रहे हैं, इसमें कुछ समझने का नहीं है. इसमें केवल बहाना मारने का है. what you are doing is giving a silly reason. I don't understand. That's the easiest statement to say in the world. But is there anything to understand? You know how to find factors. Do you know or not?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to bus factors find karo? Do you know how to see which numbers are same in both these lines? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
तो बस बेटा, फिर इसमें समझने का क्या है? मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. इसमें तो कुछ समझने का है ही नहीं. So then which are the common factors, Smiley? Abhivir, which are the common factors?
So common factors are can I tell? 5. Sir,
So
Can
first
I
of
tell?
all, we'll start with 1. Yes, you can
sir,
tell.
1. Sir, 1 10 1 6.
बेटा 1 एक सीरियल बाय ऑर्डर ना. 1 2, then
1
I
2
will have
3
3,
3
then I will have 6,
6.
then I will have anything else? No.
Oh, sir.
So what is my HCF? The greatest one, which is 6. So understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Hopefully we have understood.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you give a poll question? It's been a long time you haven't given a poll question.
Common factors and HCF of 30 and 40.
Thirty and 40. Okay. Sir, I don't know why are you repeating 30 again and again?
30 again and again because we again are getting it wrong again and again. 40 and 50 दे दूं. चलो 40 and 50 कर. Ira, camera on. Abhivir, can you write the factors of 40? Can you try, beta?
Yes, sir.
Beta, try karo. It's okay.
Sir, I have to go somewhere.
Sir,
Suvir, beta, if your mom can text me, then you can go. If your mom is ठीक है, आप क्वेश्चन कर लो या whatever your mom is saying, Suvir.
sir, written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am, like you, up to you, ma'am.
No, ma'am, sir, let him, he'll continue with the class. I can
Okay,
wait for
ma'am,
5
all
minutes.
right.
It's okay, sir.
Sir, written.
So अभिवीर, very good बेटा. आप एक क्लास में फैक्टर्स आपको समझ में आ गया. Now try of 50. You got it right. For 40, your factors are all correct. So now beta, you have to learn two things from home. One is multiplication of two-digit number and one is division. ठीक है?
Sir, mom is already teaching me multiplication. I
Multiply.
got it.
That's good, Peter. That's good. So learn
Okay,
division.
teacher.
Tell mom to teach you division also. I have sent you few recordings of grade 3 because उसमें मैंने ना starting से explain किया है like division. So just keep them for reference. You can have a look at few of the recordings, 3-4 recordings.
Yes.
Okay. So very good, Cookie and Cupcake. Finally, you guys got it correct. So अब बताओ इसमें कुछ explain करने का है, Cookie?
No, sir.
No. So
Sir,
HG
just a
camera
minute.
on.
I'm just
Yeah.
sending.
So those who have got it right, Cookie and Cupcake, you guys can leave. अगर आप, it's up to you. Okay. If you get it right, you guys can leave also.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, ballerina, very good.
Sir, send.
So Abhivir, you missed one factor. Check करो अपने आप कौन सा factor miss
By
किया.
mistake, I missed the
A
factor.
vampire can leave.
Yes, vampire, you can leave.
Cricket time.
Sir, can you send again? By mistake, I missed the
Yes, you
factor.
can send again.
Okay, sir.
Ahan, it's wrong. You are going to stay back. So Kiwi, it's correct. Kiwi, which place are you? Which?
What, sir?
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, sweet guy, you can leave. So which place are you
Sir,
currently
what?
at, Kiwi?
Sir, I'm at Chandigarh at my nanny's house.
Nani's house. Okay. Are you enjoying there?
Yes, sir.
So did you get any gift there?
Sir,
No.
I'm also at Chandigarh.
You also at Chandigarh. So I can come at Chandigarh and take your classes. That will save a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you tell Ragini ma'am to check again? I have sent here.
Is already checked and you also can leave. Veggie,
Bye,
where
Bye,
is
sir.
sir.
sir?
Sir, just sending. Bye, sir.
अभी वीर आपको पता चला कौन सा फैक्टर मिस किया आपने?
No, sir.
So
Bye, sir.
bye beta.
Sir, can I leave?
And 20. Yes, Smiley, if you have got it correct, then only you can leave. So these are the factors of 40. Smiley, मुझे 50 के factors बोल दो बेटा.
Sir, I wrote till 1 to 25 and 50.
1 2 पहले 2 मिला तो आपको 25 मिलेगा and 50 मिलेगा. Why did you forget 5? 5 का divisibility rule होता है if the ones place is 0 or 5. तभी 5 के टेबल में आता है. So you both of you missed that. So Abhivir, what will be my common factors?
Sir, common factors will be 1, 2, 5, 10. So those are common factors.
And what will be my HCF?
Sir, HCF will be 10.
Very good, Abhivi. You did fantastic today, beta. Understanding this concept in one class is a difficult thing. Just work on your tables and gradually, beta, you will start understanding. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye.